What if your drone could zoom 30x, fly 20 kilometers, and shoot cinematic 4K at 60 FPS? Today on Karen Guy, we're testing the powerful FIMI X8 Telemax drone, and this might be a serious competitor to premium drones. Inside the box, you get drone with dual camera, remote controller, intelligent battery, propellers and charger, cables and manuals. Everything you need to start flying right away. First impressions, this drone looks professional and rugged. Weight around 800 grams, solid build quality, rain and snow resistant design. This is built for real outdoor missions, not just casual flying. This is where things get crazy. Dual Sony camera system, 48 megapixel wide-angle camera, 13 megapixel telephoto camera, up to 30x hybrid zoom, 4K 60 FPS video recording, HDR video support. You can capture wide cinematic landscapes, detailed zoom shots from far away, smooth professional footage. With a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, your footage stays smooth, stable, and cinematic, even during fast movement or windy conditions. Thanks to AI Super Night Video, this drone performs amazingly in low light. Better noise reduction, clear night footage, enhanced detail. This is perfect for night shots and creative filming. Now the real beast feature. Up to 20-kilometer transmission range. RokLink 5.0 system. Ultra-low latency. You get a stable, real-time FPV experience even at long distances. Flying this drone feels super smooth. Multi-GNSS positioning, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BeiDou, precision control, and wind resistance, and it handles outdoor conditions like a pro. This drone is packed with intelligent features: AI smart tracking, 30+ objects, orbit mode, cinematic circles, waypoint flight planning, panorama, and time-lapse. Auto return to home, or RTH, it works even with GPS interference. Optional megaphone module, broadcast sound from the drone. Up to 38 minutes flight time. Optional extended battery up to 47 minutes. That's amazing for long shooting sessions. Pros: dual camera with 30x zoom, 4K 60 FPS smooth video, long 20-kilometer range, strong AI features, excellent night performance. Cons: premium price, large size for beginners, full range depends on environment. So, is it worth it? If you're serious about aerial photography, long-range flying, and cinematic content, this drone is a powerhouse. It's perfect for professionals, content creators, and travel filmmakers. So what do you think? Would you try a drone with 30x zoom and 20 kilometers range? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Karen Guy for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.